morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about natural resources and its types. First, we will discuss about what is natural resources. As you know, natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. So examples of natural resources are, that air, water, sunlight, wind energy, iron ore, petroleum, etc. So most natural resources such as coal, petroleum were formed millions of years ago. But other resources like sunlight, air, water were present even before the earth was formed. Regardless, we all are dependent on these resources in some way or other. These resources are termed as natural resources and are very important for life on earth. Natural resources are classified into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. We can see the definition of what is renewable and non-renewable resources. A non-renewable resource is a natural substance that is not replenished with the speed at which it is consumed. It is a finite resource. Fossil fuels such as oil, natural gas, coal are examples of non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are the opposite. Their supply replenishes naturally or can be sustained. What's the meaning of renewable resources? The resources which cannot be exhausted even after continuous consumption or utilization are termed as renewable resources. The examples of renewable resources are sun, wind, tidal energy, etc., air. So, these resources cannot be exhausted even after the continuous consumption. And what is non-renewable resources? The resources which cannot be immediately replaced once they are depleted are called non-renewable resources. Examples of non-renewable resources includes fossil fuels, petroleum, coal, natural gas, minerals, etc. So, I hope you understand what is renewable resource and non-renewable resources. The renewable resources which we can renew, which it is not exhaustible in nature. Non-renewable are which cannot be immediately replaced after its consumption. Examples petroleum, coal, natural gas, minerals, etc. Now we can see the difference between renewable resources and non-renewable resources. The first classification is based on depletion. Here we can see that renewable resources cannot be depleted over time. Non-renewable resources deplete over time. So, the first distinction between renewable resource and non-renewable resources based on depletion. And the second is the distinction is based on sources. Renewable resources include sunlight, water, wind, geothermal sources such as hot springs and fumaroles. That is, fumaroles means that we found in near volcanoes, openings. The hot springs come out of that big hole. So, these are the sources of renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, the sources are that includes fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. Then third classification is based on environmental impact, how the renewable and non-renewable resources affect the environment. Most renewable resources have low carbon emissions and low carbon footprint. that means it is not polluting the environment. Renewable resources are not polluting, that means less pollution. Whereas non-renewable energy has a comparatively higher carbon footprint and carbon emissions. So we can understand that non-renewable resources are making pollutions in the environment. The next classification is based on cost. The upfront cost of renewable energy is high. For instance, generating electricity using technologies running on renewable energy is costlier than generating it with fossil fuels. So, cost of production is high in the sense of renewable resources. Non-renewable energy has a comparatively lower upfront cost. Then infrastructure requirements. Infrastructure for harvesting renewable energy is prohibitively expensive and not easily accessible in most countries, whereas in the case of non-renewable resources, it is cost effective and accessible infrastructure is available for non-renewable energy across the countries. And based on area requirement, renewable resources requires a large land, especially for wind farms, solar farms, etc. But non-renewable resources comparatively requires lower area. So these are the main classification, that is based on depletion, based on sources, based on environmental impact, cost, infrastructure, then area requirement. These are the classifications. So we can see that among these classifications we can find that the major difference is that the resources that can be replenished are called renewable sources of energy. On the other hand, non-renewable energy cannot be replenished, cannot be restored. Then another thing is, renewable sources do not cause any environmental pollution, whereas non-renewable energy resources may cause pollution to the environment. And another point is that renewable resources are exhaustible, whereas non-renewable resources are inexhaustible, whereas non-renewable resources are exhaustible. And one more thing is that renewable resources are not affected by the human activities, while non-renewable resources get affected or get depleted by the human activities. So these are the main difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. I hope you understand what is natural resources. I said natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support the life and needs of people. The examples of natural resources are air, water, soil, wind, natural gases, iron ore, petroleum, etc. Again, we can classify resources into two types. Natural resources into two types, renewable and non-renewable. Okay, thank you.